Hangul Day is a national holiday in South Korea that marks the birthday of the Korean alphabet. Numl organized Hangul Day to enhance interest in the Korean language and culture among the masses in Pakistan. The ambassador of the Republic of Korea, Mr. Suh Sangpyo, visited Numl to attend Hangul Day Korean Alphabet Day as chief guest. Let's look at some of the highlights of the event.
It's indeed pleasure to see the language and the culture coinciding on this happy day that is known as Hangul Day.
Before the 15th century, there was no written language to transcribe Korean, so Chinese characters were borrowed to write. Chinese characters were mostly used by the ruling class, and the general public rarely had an opportunity to learn. Feeling sympathy for this, Sejong devised a script called Hunminjeongeum, which was well suited for expressing Korean and was easy to learn by all people.
Hangul Day at Numl provided students with a unique opportunity and the stage to show their interest in Korean culture by participating in the event directly. Students sang the Korean folk song Arirang. And guys, do you know that it is estimated to be more than 600 years old? Numl students also did performances on Korean songs. They even paid homage to Korean traditions by playing the Korean traditional game Tuho. It requires players to throw arrows or sticks from a set distance into a large canister. Everyone from youngsters to adults loved playing Tuho at the event. Mr. Suh Sangpyo said that Numl is playing a pivotal role in popularizing the Korean language in Pakistan and that the Embassy of the Republic of Korea will continue to strengthen exchanges with Numl. He paid tribute to King Sejong, who introduced the Korean alphabet, which made Korea a developed country. He further added that the South Korean government is improving visa opportunities for Pakistani citizens, which will further strengthen bilateral ties. Did you enjoy today's video? Do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!